Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clean with me. So today I'm going to be tackling my bedroom. As y'all can see, it is a hot mess. I just got stuff everywhere. So this is my first time filming a cleaning video in my bedroom. So this is what it's looking like. This basically is the aftermath of me, getting ready for my birthday, which was a few days ago, and I just got stuff thrown everywhere. So I'm about to clean all that up. So before I get deep into this video, I want to say hey to my new subscribers. Thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel. And I want to thank my old subscribers as well for sticking around and, supporting me. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so just in case any of y'all may be wondering like why my bed is like sitting low to the floor like this. So y'all, my bed is like super old. I know I done had my bedroom set at least 12 years, if not longer. So the wooden slats that was holding up my box spring or foundation or whatever, I had three of them. It was one at the headboard, one in the middle, and one at the footboard. So it just had a lot of wear and tear on it with me, rearranging my furniture all these years, and then just with me sleeping on it, it was just starting to split and crack. So I just had it, moved, and I just, had it set up like this. And I do plan on, getting me a new bed soon. So this is gonna be my little setup for now. And I do plan on doing like a room makeover. I'm not sure when I'm going to do that, but that's the plan, is to do a room makeover. So yeah, this basically what happened, and I'm just going to leave it like this, for now until I figure out what I'm going to do as far as like my room makeover. for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some type of cleaning motivation. If it did, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So that's pretty much it. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in my next one.